Birthing Better, however, did come from an evolution that occurred in the 1950s. Grantley Dick Reed, who is a male obstetrician, developed a system of breathing and relaxation that was taught globally around the world. And in the 70s, Lamaze and the Bradley method, two other male obstetricians, also taught their methods of breathing, their breathing techniques and relaxation techniques. These three caring men were seeing that birth was becoming more medicalized. And so they directed their three approaches toward women who wanted to have a normal birth, which meant low-risk women, women who really were striving to have a pain-free labor, and women who wanted to reduce the standards of care that everybody had and have less medical care. That was a great goal for a generation from the 50s to the 70s and the 70s to the 90s. Millions and millions of women learned these three skills, and they worked for a lot, and they failed a lot. And why did they fail? First, they were techniques. So techniques don't adjust well, they don't adapt, and they're often not sustainable. Lamaze breathing was, that's not sustainable. And Bradley was in the nose and out the mouth, but you could do this, or this. Ah! So, both in the nose and out the mouth. These methods were focused only on normal births to achieve a pain-free labor with less medical care. So that left out the majority of women. And so what happened? Well, Birthing Better happened.